Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful birthday cake you are seeing here for my church's September birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as I show you how to make this beautiful cake you are seeing. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's September birthday celebration cake. So we have our chocolate buttercream frosting here. We also have our white buttercream frosting. We have 2 buttercream frostings with colored in green to teal or army green shades. We also have 3 vanilla cake layers here, 6-inch cake layers to be precise. We have my homemade Nutella, my no milk and vanilla syrup. All these ingredients are linked in the comment section. We have our cake box, the complete set, and the gold ribbon. We have our food glue, serrated knife, and some silicone spatulas. This is the offset spatula, our cake scraper. We'll also be using some skewers for support, scissors, tissue, gold butterflies, gold balls, birthday topper, and then our gold fan here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we are going to start with our cake layers. I'll remove them from the wraps. Now I'll trim off the tops with our serrated knife. Added frosting to our cake bowl, so we are going to add our cake. This is it. I'll add the syrup. Now add some frosting to it. Now I'll pipe some on it. And this is basically creating a rim around the border so that we can add in our Nutella filling. So this is our Nutella filling. I'm going to open it and then we'll pour some. And we spread it nicely in the middle. And then we place on the next cake layer. This is how the cake looks like after it has been stacked and crumb coated. So I'm going to smoothen it out. Then we'll pop it in the fridge. We are going to add our frostings to it. Before we continue today's episode, I want to ask, have you subscribed yet? Have you joined the Loves family yet? If not, please do so right now by clicking the subscribe button so you get notifications for videos that are posted every single day on the channel. Please subscribe and I promise you won't regret it. And this is how the first one looks like. So we are going to add the second one. This is how it looks like. Then we'll add the third one. This is how they all look like. Now we are going to smoothen it out. Then I'll use the offset spatula to smoothen it out slightly. And then we'll do same for all the others. Then we'll start smoothing with the main scraper. This is how the cake looks like. A piece of acetate here. I'm going to make a wavy design. I'll do this all around. We are going to add the fondant cutouts. This is how it looks like. So we are going to add the rest of our decorations, including our topper here, which is the fan. We'll also be adding our butterflies and our gold balls. So we'll start with the fan. Continue with the ball. We repeat this same design here. And this is how it looks like. Now we are going to add our butterflies. And this is how it looks like. Now we are going to add our birthday topper. And that is it. So this is the cake after the chilling process the next day. I kept it in the fridge because of the filling we used. I'm going to place the box or the covering on it. We can't add the top bit to it, so we'll move that out and then the ribbon also. So this is how I'll send it. I'll cover with wrap and then take it. Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.